Coach Carrot! Hello, little builders! Coach Carrot here. Get your hard hat ready for some construction zone fitness fun. First, we'll warm up our bodies by doing crane reaches. Stand tall with your feet apart. Reach down, touching your toes like a crane picking up heavy materials. This stretches our lower back. Excellent stretching, young constructors. Next, let's jump into bulldozer pushes. Imagine you're a powerful bulldozer pushing heaps of dirt and rocks to clear the land. This warms up our whole body and gets our hearts beating fast. Great work! Now that we're warmed up, let's begin by transforming into dump trucks. Squat down like you're unloading a heavy pile of rocks. This strengthens our legs and arms. Great work, strong dump trucks. Now let's do wrecking ball swings. Stand with your feet apart and swing your arms side to side like a wrecking ball, clearing debris. Did you know a wrecking ball can weigh up to 12,000 pounds? Awesome job! Time for excavator digs. Lunge forward and scoop up the dirt with your arms like a powerful excavator. This move helps strengthen our legs. Nice digging, mighty excavators. It's time for jackhammer hops. Hopping helps strengthen our calf muscles and our legs. Great hopping! To cool down, let's be concrete mixers. Circle your arms like the big barrel, mixing the concrete. This strengthens our arms while giving our bodies time to cool down. Wonderful job! Finally, we'll end with construction workers' safety checks. Pretend you're the safety inspector, making sure the worksite is safe. This helps stretch out our sides. Wonderful job, little workers! Now it's time for our mindful moment. Before we start, let's get into a comfortable position. Imagine you are a construction vehicle resting after a busy day of work on the construction site. Breathe in through your nose and fill your tummy with air. Now breathe out slowly through your mouth. Wonderful, keep going. Can you feel your body calming down? Great! Fantastic job today, young construction crew. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to see more. Until next time, thanks for watching and keep growing up great!